Best Wix templates for fashion and e-commerce websites. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you some of the best templates that you're going to use for fashion and also the e-commerce services that you're going to have or dropshipping. So we are going to head over wix.com and then we are going to click on create a new site. So for here we are going to have the access for all the websites that we are going to get the templates for. For example, here we have a Wix. I'm going to click on create on Wix editor and we are going to see the next step. So I'm going to ignore the Wix ADI. So here we are going to type in only the type of the website, or you can go ahead and skip the step and you're going to find the dashboard of the website. I have skipped all the let's say phases that we have found for the dashboard. I'm only going to let you see how we can access the Wix library for templates. It is going to be right there. So you are going to click on customize a template or pick a template. This is after you have set up the type of website, of course. So we are going to have here everything. Now, these are going to be the templates. We're going to start for the fashion. So as you can see, we're going to have business and services, or at the header of this is going to categorize all the websites into different categories. So we have the store into, I can see here that we have some type of e-commerce, fashion, clothings, and etc. So we are going to start with the fashion clothings. So for here, we are going to see some subcategories. Here we have the fashion and clothing into the e-commerce section. So it is going to be in general an e-commerce website. You can have here all the categories or subcategories, or you can go ahead and have a specific subcategory like jewelry and accessories, as you can see here, arts and crafts, home decoration, and etc. So we are going to stick on only the fashion clothing because it is going to be the first theme into the specific, let's say, tutorial. Here, as you can see, we have tons and tons of websites. We can go ahead and switch up the pages, but I'm going to start to let you see here some of the best ones that you can go ahead and use. If you're going to seek for a simple website that will help you to sell some fashion and accessories, or let's say here clothings, you can go ahead and use this t-shirt store. I can go ahead and let you see the details. This one is going to be the most simplest one in here and the realistic one, because it is going to give you here a specific website that will help you to set up from the beginning. It is going to attract or a magnet attraction for clients from the beginning. As you can see, it is going to show up all the products that we have, basically not the products or all the products, but some of the featured. And as you can see, it is going to be here, let's say here a conversion strategy. So you can have here a section specific for all of the products, as you can see, and it is going to be standard. Also, it is going to show up some of the sections for promotional purposes, and here you have it. This is going to be the most simplest website that you can find. Now, moving on to another website or another template, if you're going to have a brand or you have worked on the branding side of the fashion website of yours, you can go ahead and use this one, the clothing store. And here it is. So as you can see, it is going to be a fancy website from the header or the well chosen color of the header. Also the image, as you can see here. So you can replace the images that we have into this website to your own images. And as you can see, it is going to have some main apps like the Wix stores and Wix chat for the support for clients. Now, for the sections of this website, it is going to be very simple. So we are going to view the demo website. I'm going to let you see here the whole website. This is going to be something which is going to be very, very attractive if you're going to seek for branding. Here we do not have much sections, but it doesn't mean that we cannot add. Basically, it is going to be fully customizable, fully editable. You're going to add whatever sections that you have in this place. So you can go ahead and have like this a product grid, and it is going to be straight to the point website. As you can see from the banner, here we have the button for the shop now or all the product, to the best sellers or the best deals that you can find. So basically, it is going to be something amazing to have, and also very fancy. Here, I highly recommend for you, if you're going to use this type of website or this website template, you can go ahead and add multiple, let's say here, portfolios or models, and also at the end, before the footer, you can go ahead and add a blog or some of the blog content. Why? Because it is going to attract the people for the view or the point of view that you're going to, let's say, implement into the website, and that is going to be the branding. So you're going to, or they are going to be having an idea on your guidance and also your specific ideas about fashion. Now, aside from this website, so we are going to have other websites. I'm going to recommend for you these two, the clothing store and the t-shirt store. Basically, I'm going to let you see here both of these two and let you see why did we choose them. So this is going to be a standard or universal website for, as you can see here, clothing. I'm going to let you see here the website. From the right side of the screen, as you can see, we have social media accounts. We have everything simple and very universal. So we have a sticky header. We have a very cool banner, which is going to be a fashion related one. And as you can see, we have some big pictures, big cover images, and also directly some featured products. And these are going to be also straight to the point website. You're going to find here, as you can see, some of the labels or the quality that you're going to put into your website, like the secured payment, the customer service, free shipping and returns. These are going to be the policies of your website. Also, we have here a nice footer, which is going to implement a number, an email address, an address, also a subscription for newsletter. This website is only going to need a pop-up window for subscription or newsletters. Now, moving on to the other one, which is going to be the t-shirt right there. I'm going to let you see here the demo view. It is not going to be only related to t-shirts, but it is going to have some or having some cool designs. You can go ahead and have, as you can see here, a glance or a inspiration about the specific backgrounds. You can go ahead and create them from Photoshop or Canva. This is going to be up to you. And as you can see, if I was in your place, I would highly go with this, not recommend, but highly go with this website template, because it is going to be realistic and very simple. Aside from, as you can see here, the gaps that are going to be a little bit apparent, but it is going to be something very cool. So for these gaps, you can go ahead and modify these sections and also put them from side to side or stretch them to the limits, because they are going to be very simple to have and also very simple to manipulate. Now, it is going to be, as you can see here, very interactive. Everything is going to have some specific animations like this grid. As you can see, it is going to have some animation in it, and it has everything that is suited to a clothing brand. Now, aside from these, I'm going to let you see here some other ones, because we are not going to have only one, two, or three. I have, I think, presented for you four. Now, let's head over the fifth one. So, if you're going to be having a luxurious website for fashion or e-commerce, it is going to be the same, because we are going to be on the e-commerce section in here. In any case, you can go ahead and use another website template, which is going to be here the sportswear store. As you can see, it is going to be a blast. Not only this one, we have here other websites or other templates that are going to be luxurious, but let me show you here why I have categorized this as a luxurious one. So the colors are going to be well chosen. The fonts and also the backgrounds are going to be at the top notch quality. And as you can see, it is going to have some sick animations. Imagine having these specific animations or these banners, also some more attractive photos. No, I'm not going to recommend it for this one. As you can see here, the sport ones, but you can go ahead and have other website or other banners, and it is going to be very cool. So for this image or this scrolling image is going to be a very cool feature. Imagine that you are going to have maybe, I don't know, here a model wearing a luxury watch or a luxury shoe. It is going to be having a blast for the website. So it is going to be very luxurious, very simple, and as you can see, very good to see. For the background color, it is going to be this gray, and it is not going to be boring at all. You can go ahead and change it to maybe some of the beige. You can switch up some colors to the beige and etc. And here you are going to be very good to go. Now, aside from the fifth, I'm going to give you a bonus one, which is going to be the sixth website. If you're going to have here the e-commerce in general, you can go ahead and not have the fashion, but the e-commerce in general. It is going to be very simple, and depending on the type of the website or the type of the content that you're going to sell, it is going to be very, let's say, easy to have. I have used the supermarket, and also I have used the electronics store. For the supermarket, it is going to be very simple and also very specific. Aside from the, as you can see here, the type of the here the food, beverages, deals, and etc. The animations and also the cases are going to be a very cool created template. So I highly recommend for you this website or this template because it is going to be very realistic and very simple. And the more simple is your website, and also the more attracting and well chosen for the colors. As you can see here, we have some gradient red and also mixed up with white and etc. It is going to be the better. So you only need to change up here some of the banners into something else that will go well with the website of the e-commerce that you are going to own. Also, you can switch up the colors from, for example, from the red to the purple one. You can find some color palettes or cool color palettes that you're going to change, and then you're going to find them very attractive. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.